This is a hydroponics growing system. I love being able to grow my own things at home. This is extremely easy to use. This light here is adjustable, so you can adjust it up and down so it can move with your plants as they grow. On the front here, you have your control panel, your power button. You can switch your mode depending on what you're growing, if it's fruits and vegetables or flowering plants. You can change the temperature of the water, the pump temperature, and you can also connect this with your smartphone. I'll show you what the app looks like as well, but it's super easy to use and you can control it completely from your phone, which is super nice. You can put this on a timer for light cycles, so you don't have to worry about turning it on and off or plugging and unplugging it. It is super easy to use. Right here is the spot you'll dump your water in. And you've got your 2 fertilizer bottles that it does come with. Does come with some support sticks here if you have things growing taller that need a little extra support. And then your tweezers for planting the seeds into your domes here. These are little shade covers if any of them need more shade than others. And then it comes with these little seed pods here that you will put the seeds down into the middle up top there and then slide them down into your piece there, and then it just sits right inside. And then these are your germination domes. So I have those on all of mine right now. I've got a couple that are starting to come up, so these probably don't need those anymore, but it helps the other ones grow faster when those are on there. And then you also have these if you would like to use a plant label so you know what's in each one. You can see here I've got some stuff sprouting up already growing. Once you open the app, you can control all your settings, such as the brightness, the amount of time the light is on, the temperature control, and the different seeds you are planting.